10 Tips to Achieve Virtual Server Domination and Boost Your Business. In today's digital age, mastering virtual servers is crucial for any business aiming to stay competitive. Virtual servers offer unmatched scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, enabling businesses to handle increasing workloads and complex applications seamlessly. Here, we present 10 essential tips to help you achieve virtual server domination and elevate your business to new heights. 1. Choose the right virtualization platform. Selecting the appropriate virtualization platform is the foundation of your virtual server strategy. Popular options include VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and KVM. Evaluate each platform based on your specific needs, budget, and existing infrastructure. Consider factors such as ease of management, scalability, security features, and vendor support. 2. Optimize resource allocation. Efficient resource allocation is vital for maximizing the performance of your virtual servers. Implementing resource pooling and dynamic resource scheduling ensures that CPU, memory, and storage are allocated optimally. Tools like VMware DRS Distributed Resource Scheduler or Microsoft System Center can automate this process, ensuring optimal performance and minimizing downtime. 3. Implement robust security measures. Security is paramount when dealing with virtual servers. Ensure that your virtualization platform offers robust security features such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and network segmentation. Regularly update your virtual machines' VMs and hypervisors with the latest security patches. Employ intrusion detection systems IDs and intrusion prevention systems IPS to monitor and protect your virtual environment. 4. Utilize high availability and disaster recovery solutions. High availability, high-end disaster recovery doctor solutions are critical